Hello. Are you Maria?
Yes, I am Maria.
Nice to meet you. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I am from Texas. Now I live in New York.
When did you come to New York?
I came last week.
Do you speak English?
No, I speak a little English.
Interviewer, it's okay. You can learn.
Yes, I want to learn English.
Why do you want this job?
I want to work. I need money.
Did you work before?
Yes, I worked in a school. I cleaned classrooms.
Okay. This job is also in a school. You will help teachers.
Yes, I can do that.
You will work from Monday to Friday.
Okay,
You must come at 8 o'clock in the morning.
no problem. I will come.
The salary is $2,000 every month.
That is good. Thank you.
Can you start next Monday?
Yes, I can.
Good. Do you have any questions?
Yes. Can I take English classes?
Yes. We will give you free English lessons.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Maria. See you on Monday.
See you.
Hello. Please come in.
Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. Are you here for the cleaning job?
Yes, I want to work here.
Do you have cleaning experience?
Yes. I cleaned rooms in a hotel before.
That's good. What did you clean?
I cleaned floors, windows, and bathrooms.
Do you use cleaning machines?
Yes, I can use a vacuum and floor cleaner.
Can you work in the morning?
Yes. I like morning work.
The job starts at 7 a.m. and ends at 3 p.m.
That is perfect for me.
Do you work on weekends too?
Yes. I am free on weekends.
We pay $14 per hour. Is that okay?
Yes. That's okay. Thank you.
Can you start this Saturday?
Yes, I can start on Saturday.
Great. You are hired. Welcome, Anna.
Thank you so much, Mrs. Kelly. I'm happy to work here.
Hello, good morning. Please come in.
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Tom White.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you too.
Tell me about yourself.
I am 25 years old. I live in Rivertown. I finished college last year. I love working with people.
Why do you want this job?
I want to learn more. I want to grow. I like your school. I want to teach here.
That's good. Do you have experience?
Yes. I worked in a school for 1 year. I taught English to young children.
What did you enjoy about it?
I enjoyed helping students speak. I liked to make learning fun.
Can you work full time?
Yes, I can work Monday to Friday.
What time is best for you?
I can start at 8 a.m. and finish at 4 p.m.
That works well. Do you like teamwork?
Yes. I like to work with others. I like sharing ideas.
Good. Now, what is your expected salary?
I hope for $2,500 a month.
Okay, we can talk more about that later.
Sure, ma'am.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. Will I get training before I start?
Yes, we will give you 2 days of training.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you, Tom. We will call you next week.
Thank you very much. I look forward to it.
Have a good day.
You too, ma'am. Goodbye. Hello. Are you here for the cleaning job?
Yes. My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Do you have any cleaning experience?
Yes. I cleaned in a school for 1 year.
That's good. What did you clean there?
I cleaned floors, windows, and toilets.
Can you work early in the morning?
Yes. I can start at 6 a.m.
Do you work on weekends?
Yes. I can work every day.
That's great. How many hours can you work?
I can work 8 hours every day.
Do you need help with English?
A little. I'm learning.
No problem. We can help you.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
How much is the salary?
$1,800 per month. We pay every 2 weeks.
That is good.
We give gloves and cleaning tools.
Okay. That's nice.
Can you start next Monday?
Yes, I can.
Great. See you on Monday, Sarah.
Thank you very much. See you.
Hello. What's your name?
My name is Jane.
Hi, Jane. Are you here for the kitchen job?
Yes, I want to work here.
Have you worked in a kitchen before?
Yes. I helped in a small restaurant.
What did you do there?
I washed dishes and cut vegetables.
That's good. Can you work fast?
Yes, I can work fast.
Do you work well with others?
Yes. I like working with people.
Can you work at night?
Yes. I can work anytime.
Good. We work from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m.
That is okay for me.
Do you want full-time or part-time?
Full time, please.
The pay is $15 per hour.
Thank you. That's good.
Can you start tomorrow?
Yes, I can.
Great. Welcome, Jane.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Good morning. Are you here for the shop assistant job?
Yes, sir. My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. Please sit down.
Thank you.
Have you worked in a shop before?
Yes. I worked in a clothing shop for 6 months.
That's good. What did you do there?
I helped customers, arranged clothes, and worked at the cashier.
Why did you leave that job?
The shop closed last month.
I see. Why do you want to work here?
I like talking to people and helping them. I also live near the store.
What days can you work?
I can work from Monday to Saturday.
What about Sundays?
I can work Sundays too, if needed.
What time can you start?
I can start at 9 a.m. and work until 6 p.m.
Are you okay with standing all day?
Yes, I'm used to it.
How much salary do you expect?
I hope for $2,000 per month.
Okay. We offer training for 1 week.
That's great. I would like to learn more.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes. Do workers get uniforms?
Yes, we give uniforms and a staff card.
Thank you. That's helpful.
We will call you in 2 days.
Thank you, sir. I hope to hear from you.
Goodbye, Emily.
Goodbye. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!